Welcome to this tutorial on finding maximum values in NumPy arrays. In this lesson, you'll learn how to use the np.max function to identify the largest values in your data. This is one of the most commonly used aggregation functions in NumPy and is essential for data analysis tasks. The np.max function is a NumPy method that returns the maximum value from an array. You can use it to find the largest value across the entire array, or you can specify an axis to find maximum values along a particular dimension. This makes it incredibly versatile for working with both one-dimensional and multi-dimensional arrays. The basic syntax for np.max is straightforward. You call nump.max and pass in your array as the first argument. The second parameter, axis, is optional and defaults to none. When axis is none, the function returns the maximum value from the entire array. When you specify an axis, it computes the maximum along that particular dimension. Let's start with a simple one-dimensional array example. First, we import NumPy as np. Then we create an array containing the values 3, 7, 1, 9, and 4. To find the maximum value, we call np.max and pass in our array. The result is stored in max_value. When we print this value, we get 9, which is indeed the largest number in our array. Now let's work with a two-dimensional array to understand how axis parameters work. We create a 3x3 array using np.array with nested lists. The first row contains 1, 5, and 3. The second row contains 8, 2, and 9. The third row contains 4, 7, and 6. This array has a shape of 3 rows by 3 columns, giving us multiple dimensions to explore. When you call np.max on a two-dimensional array without specifying an axis, it searches through all elements and returns the single largest value. In this case, calling np.max on r_2d returns 9, which is the maximum value across the entire array, regardless of its position in rows or columns. When you set axis equals 0, NumPy finds the maximum value down each column. Think of axis 0 as moving vertically through the rows. For our array, this compares values in the first column, 1, 8, and 4, returning 8. For the second column, 5, 2, and 7, returning 7. For the third column, 3, 9, and 6, returning 9. The result is a one-dimensional array containing 8, 7, and 9. When you set axis equals 1, NumPy finds the maximum value across each row. Think of axis 1 as moving horizontally through the columns. For the first row containing 1, 5, and 3, the maximum is 5. For the second row containing 8, 2, and 9, the maximum is 9. For the third row containing 4, 7, and 6, the maximum is 7. The result is a one-dimensional array containing 5, 9, and 7.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.